Well, hello. Hello. Good morning to those that it is morning. Good afternoon to those that it's afternoon. And good evening to those that it is the evening. Thank you so very much. This is Stephen Smith, and I am coming to you live from the Celery Fields up on the hill here in Sarasota, Florida, USA. This is an awesome place. I am able to bring Live with Nature to you this morning. It's Tuesday, Tooth for Tuesdays, T-Mobile Tuesdays, lots of free stuff for those that are T-Mobile customers, and it's just a great day. It's really clear. It's a beautiful sky already. And so I just want to say thank you to all of those who come to join me this morning. I've got to start by saying I did not bring my glasses, so therefore it's going to be very difficult to read the comments while I'm going live, but I will try and respond as we're filming through this. I will also go back and reply to the comments. Feel free to like, love, and comment if you want. Feel free to share it on out to anybody that you feel might enjoy this video as well. I just want to say welcome to Sarasota. Welcome to the Celery Fields. Well, we've got nature going on. The birds are up. They're singing to each other. They're singing to us. And so this is an opportunity to connect with nature. And what I like to do is use it for introspection, just relaxation. You can use it for meditation. But if you are driving, please pay attention to your driving. But gosh, I know that everybody can't stay because it's about a 50-minute to an hour video. As the sun comes up here, feel free to go back, take time. Certainly join me at the end, or if you can't watch all right now, then come to the end, because I do end it in a prayer, and I pray for myself as well as everyone else. I hope that you're having a great day so far. I want to say this. I want to say that I am so inspired by Bradley Chapman, and yes, you can aspire to achieve. You can achieve your goals and your dreams. It starts with a thought, and you put that thought into action with a plan, and you can manifest anything that you want to, is the way I believe. And so thank you, Bradley. I'm looking forward. I want to be a speaker with him on live streaming coming up here in August, and I'm planning to try and do that. So yes, thank you, Bradley. I love what you're doing, the positivity, the helping people to inspire other people, paying it forward, and just doing our part to make this world a better place. So thank you very much, Bradley. Thank you, everybody that takes time to come and watch. It's really not a video about me talking. It's really a video about just making this connection to nature, listening to the birds. So, but I will start with this because, you know, it's so cool that in the middle of the day, well, middle of the day, it's early morning. Welcome, everybody. That the moon is up. It is up over here, Venus. Very cool. So yes, Janice, welcome. McDonald Lucky, welcome. I appreciate everybody that's taking time to come. Thank you so very much. So there's the moon. It's a little bit more than a half a moon. And we're here. We are in Sarasota. And I'm just going to try and adjust this camera now for this sunrise. It's a great day. I hope you're having a good start to your day. I'm just going to pan it a little bit more like that. Alrighty. So I want to say hello to everybody that's joined me. Thank you so very much. Rom, thank you very much. Rom's in Texas. Wang, thank you very much. I appreciate Colleen, welcome. So I welcome everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a great day. It's Tuesday. I'm so grateful to actually be breathing. I woke up. It's a beautiful thing. So now I can enjoy another day. Enjoy it with me. I hope that you do. So yeah, I can tend to talk too much, so I'll be quiet because we want to hear the birds. Hopefully the lions will roar. We're overlooking the big cat habitat, and they've got lions and tigers and bears. That's the Wizard of Oz. Yes, lions and tigers and bears, they have them. Llamas. Alpaca, that's what Harmony said. Harmony, my granddaughter, is not with me this morning. I took her out to the beach, and I made the grave mistake of not putting on sunscreen on her quick enough. So she has a sunburn. She's not feeling so well, so she's not with us this morning. I got a sunburn as well. I just have to keep on going though. So anyways, thank you for joining. We'll sit back, we'll watch the sun coming up, and just enjoy this opportunity to connect with nature. Virginia. Rom, I thought you were in Texas. Why was I thinking Texas? I'm not sure. Sorry about that. So Mike O'Rourke, thank you for joining. We appreciate you. Nostumber, Avi, welcome, my dear friend from the Shire in England, the Cheshire. Thank you so very much for joining me this morning. Avi, I love you, man. Sent you a message. I'll look forward to your response on that. So I hope you're having a great day. I know it's, well, you're 6 hours ahead of us, so it's 6, so it's noon. Lunch break. Colleen, thank you. Yes, we're getting a worldwide audience. I always do, which is so cool. Thank you, Facebook, because I just love being able to touch people. I love being able to learn from people and getting to make new friends. So we've got England, we have Australia, we have Virginia, we have Florida, obviously, because that's where we are at right now. It's a beautiful thing that you can actually travel to Florida and stay right at home, or wherever you might be watching this from. So it's the day before the United States Independence Day. It's a great time of year. I really enjoy it a lot. Even though I'm a Canadian originally, still am really a Canadian. They call me, actually, I did a post because it was Canada Day on the 1st of July, I believe. Yeah, 1st. 142 years. So yeah, I might have come from Canada, but I've lived in America for a long, long time. I love America. I love Canada. I love to travel the world. I've yet to do that. I've certainly traveled to Mexico, but not to anywhere else in the world, and that's coming up. Happened to be involved with some very awesome people, Charlie O'Shea, and as well Colleen, I believe you're involved too, and we're members of a travel group, and we're going to do some traveling, and all of our friends are going to get together. We're going to Mexico in the spring. It's going to be awesome. It's a beautiful sunrise coming. Even though there's not a whole lot of clouds out, it's a pretty clear day. It's awesome. Now we might be getting rain tomorrow. Now I plan to be out here tomorrow evening for the 4th of July celebration, so that we can watch 4 or 5 different fireworks displays going off at the same time. It'd be pretty cool. I went and forgot my reading glasses, so I'm having a hard time reading your comment right now, Colleen. I'll go back. Feel free to leave comments. Feel free to tell me where you're watching from. And I'll go back and I'll reply to those comments. Roosters are welcoming in a brand new day. I'm patiently waiting for the lions to welcome this day too as well. Yes, Colleen, I can read that comment. Everything is good. It's a blessed day for all of us. I want to also make sure that I mention McDonald Lucky. He is such an awesome guy. He always puts out the greatest stuff, and he's a believer in the same God that I have, and that's really cool. Oh, I can read some of that now, Colleen. Yeah, it is evening, I know. But just think, you get to actually see sunrise in the evening. Isn't that special? Thank you, Facebook. Boy, it feels nice. There's a breeze going right now. It is just absolutely wonderful because it is going to be probably 90 degrees before too long and extremely humid. There's a bat. have a bunny in front of us too. Good day, Virgie, welcome. We now have the Philippines represented. There's a little cottontail bunny sitting about 30 feet off in front of the camera. I just don't know that you can see it. Welcome to the video. Live with nature, Gary, thank you. We are watching the sun working its way up here on the horizon. Here in Sarasota, Florida. Home of the #1 beach in the United States, 2 times, Siesta Key. I love Siesta Key. It's just one of the finest beaches you'll ever see if you happen to get the opportunity to come to Sarasota. There is so much to do here and to experience. The sand down on Siesta Key is quartz sand. It's like powder. It is really awesome. I hope that you can see that bunny, but I'm not seeing it in the picture frame that I've got here. He's just sitting there. He wants to be on camera too. Welcome, Denise, to Sarasota, Florida. We're just watching the sun come up. I'm blessed to have almost all 4 corners of the country, or the world, excuse me, covered. We're waiting on Canada. Canada may join us. We've got the UK, Philippines, Virginia, Florida, Australia. A great group of people. We have another bunny right over here too now, to my left. I'll just pan over and see if we can pick him up as well. He's right there. I don't know if that's filming it or not. I can't tell. He's about only 20 feet from me. So we'll just go ahead and pan all the way around. I'm sitting beneath the camera here. Then we have the moon up here. I'll check to see, oops, that's kind of crooked. I'm just going to pick it up. The moon. I'm not seeing it in the camera viewfinder, but Venus. So the moon's still up. So yeah, it's a beautiful place here. Hopefully we can see this bunny rabbit. He's sitting right there in front of us there. Welcome, Stephanie. We have another bunny rabbit. He's right there. He's been sitting there for about 10 minutes now. So it's a great day here. We're getting off to a good start. It's nice and cool right now. Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me. An opportunity for connection with nature here in Sarasota, Florida. Welcome, Terry. Thank you for joining us. We've got two bunnies sitting here with us. They look like jackrabbits. Looks like a male and a female. So the lions must have just woken up. Good morning. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the love. Go ahead, feel free to share this on out. Annie, welcome. Philippines represented. Thank you so much, Annie. You're such a nice person. I appreciate everybody that takes time to come and join me. Good morning. Well, good afternoon by now for you. I really enjoy your posts, Annie. Thank you very much. It's a brand new day and I can paint the canvas of it any way I choose, and I choose to paint it in positivity and gratitude. Life is what I make it, and I plan to make it good. I plan to make it wonderful. I've been blessed by being able to spend some really quality time with my granddaughter. I'm blessed because I'm able to, get up this morning and bring this sunrise to you. It's looking pretty spectacular so far. The clouds were really beautiful a moment ago. You can see that sun just glaring up behind that cloud. If you're just joining the broadcast like Annie, feel free to go back, take some time, watch the beginning of the video. We also have some rabbits that were joining us here for a while. One of the lions woke up, made a little bit of noise for us. Morning, McDonald. Thank you for joining. I know that you were here earlier. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support. And may God bless you in abundance. Here comes the sun. Yes, it is amazing, Colleen. It's so wonderful that everybody's taken time to come and join me here. The birds have quieted down. The sun is just coming up over the tops of the trees over there. It's a beautiful day, and we can do it any way we want. I believe in positivity, learning from my mistakes, moving forward and improving myself, and growing and learning from everybody every single day, and all of my experiences as well. Excuse me. I've got to be careful not to stare at that sun directly. I'll be seeing spots. morning. Good morning, Nicole. Welcome. It's a spectacular morning here. I know this is catching some of you in the evening, but what a great way to celebrate a day. It's a connection to nature. We're getting a little bit more active. It's about 6:45 a.m. here, Eastern Standard Time in Florida, USA. I appreciate everyone that's taken time to come and visit with me here. Watch the sun coming up. It's a spectacular day. Good morning. Beautiful sunrise. Good morning, Paul. Thank you for joining us here in Sarasota. We're out here at the Celery Fields. Good morning. So it's an absolutely beautiful day. I'm just going to do a pan here. This is one of several little open spaces on top of this hill. There were lots of birds flying around earlier, all different kinds. So I'll just walk out to this other side here. And get the view looking west. This is a wildlife preserve area. It's just beautiful out here. So in the distance, that's I-75. This is the Celery Fields. At one point, this was Celery Fields. They were growing celery out here. Now it's more like a water management area for when it overflows from heavy rains. It'll come out here. The hill that we're standing upon, all of the dirt came from right over here. It was filled with all kinds of fossils, particularly shark's teeth, things of this nature, because This was covered in ocean at one point. Sarasota really is just a big sandbar. That's all it really is. So we'll walk back towards here, and I'll go ahead in just a moment here and I'll close this video up. Alrighty, just going to set this down here. Do this. Thank you everybody for taking time to come and join me. I am wearing my 4th of July pants. We're about to celebrate independence in the United States here tomorrow. I'll be coming back here live to do the fireworks, and might come out here tomorrow morning as well. This is really awesome to catch the sunrise right out here. It's the highest point in Florida, and the views are just awesome. So I want to say thank you to everybody that took time to join me. I hope that this touches you in a special way. Feel free to use this for meditation, relaxation, just to connect with nature, listen to the birds in the background. I enjoy doing this. This is fun for me. And bottom line is, I am grateful to be here and to do this. So I always end my broadcasts with a prayer. I have a higher power. I call that higher power God. I consider Jesus to be my Savior, giving me eternal life. If you don't have a God, or you don't believe in my God, that's okay too. I respect your thinking, and you can apply anything. I believe in a higher power. I didn't create all this. I don't know anybody that did, but I heard someone the other day, they said their God was this: go outdoors. That's good enough for me. But I believe in my higher power God, and so I always end with a prayer, because I give him the glory. Dear Lord, thank you for bringing me here today. Thank you for the people that took time to watch this video. Thank you for those that don't get to watch this video. Maybe you'll touch them in a special way. For those that are suffering for any particular reason, whether it's financially or emotionally, whether it's physically, whether it is because of loss, particularly of loved ones, be with them. Help them to have some peace and serenity in their lives. Help them to be abundant and manifest their dreams and their goals. I know, Lord, that it starts with a thought, and if I put that thought into action with a plan, and I believe that I can, I will achieve. Yes, you can believe and you can achieve. I can aspire to believe. Thank you, Bradley Chapman, for inspiring me. I want to be a part of what you got going. That's so awesome. Dear Lord, help me to be able to be an inspiration to people. Help me to be the best person that I can. Help me to learn the lesson, the proper lesson from the experiences that I've had. Be with all of us today. Help us to have a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday, to make the most of it and to glorify you. In Jesus' name I pray these words, knowing that the universe supports me in this truth, and therefore so it is. So thank you very much. I appreciate everybody. I'll just let the camera run for a few more minutes. In the meantime, take care, have a great Tuesday, and enjoy yourselves. All right, I'll be signing off in Sarasota, Stephen Smith. Have a great day. If you're coming in late on this video, feel free to take time, go back, take a look at the beginning of the video, and just enjoy this sunrise. All right, thank you so much. Bye for now.